Hi, this is Brian from NEXNOVO. Welcome to visit our booth at ISE 2023 Barcelona. Now I'm going to show you the product that we sell a lot. It's one of the most popular products that we sell to retail, shopping malls, and luxury as well. And you can see now this is called NJ series, which is frameless cabinet design. And the standard size, we have different standard size, but majorly 1 meter wide and half meter height. And this is the finest pitch we have, which is pitch 2.6. And we have pitch 3.3, 3.9, and the upwards. So the brightness can reach to maximum 5,500 nits to 6,000 nits. The transparency reach 75% to even 85%, depending on the different pitch. So the major application for this product is for front window advertising and also in-store, because we have a lot of feedback from customers, not just for displaying the advertising. It's more like a customer experience and enhance the image of the brand. So if you need more details, just feel free to reach our website, www.nexnovo.com. See you next time. Thank you.